Hello friends, this is Dr. Asmani Bhave Deshmukh. Today I'm going to talk about the skin tanning. So as you all know, I'm a homeopathic doctor and a cosmetologist. Now the summer season has started and the sun's heat has also started increasing day by day. If you are going out, do not forget the sunscreen, as I have always told you, and apply sunscreen half an hour prior to stepping out in the sun. And during this time also the COVID situation is getting bad, so also do not forget to wear your masks, but do apply your sunscreens all over the face, hands and neck area, even if you're wearing the mask, so that will obviously prevent the tanning. Friends, I'm going to tell you a few home remedies for tanning. If you are like getting exposed to the sun a lot, obviously sunscreen is to be used, which is very important during this summer period. It is more important. Along with the sunscreen, if you are still getting tanned, I'm going to tell you a few home remedies. So, the first one is if you are getting a face, basically, if your face is tanned, one very good remedy which you can use at home is a mixture of besan. That is the normal besan which you get at home, the besan powder. You can take 1 or 2 teaspoons of besan. You can add tomato juice. That is tomato juice, you can take say similar amount like 2 teaspoons of tomato juice, 2 teaspoons of chana dal or besan powder, and you can add milk to it. If you're having dry skin, just add 2 teaspoons of milk, 2 to 3 teaspoons of milk to it, and make a good mixture out of this. Also, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey to this. Apply this mixture all over your face and neck area, and let it dry for around say 15 to 20 minutes, and then wash it, or you can use a wet cloth and wipe it with a wet cloth after say 20 minutes time. All your tan is going to get removed if you use this mixture daily, or at least use it thrice in a week. So 1 teaspoon of besan, 1 teaspoon of sorry, if you take 2 teaspoons, it will be 2 teaspoons of besan, 2 teaspoons of tomato juice, 2 teaspoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of honey in case of dry skin. If you are having an oily skin, you can use 2 teaspoons of besan, 2 teaspoons of tomato juice, and you can use aloe vera gel, 2 teaspoons. You can or you can use even curds instead of milk, 2 teaspoons, and you can make a nice combination mixture out of this and apply it all over your face for 20 minutes, and wipe it off with a wet cloth after 20 minutes. So if you use this daily, or even if you use it alternate days, it's going to give you a nice detan skin. So if in case of tanning, once you're back home, use this mixture daily. Now one more mixture I'm going to tell you, especially if you're getting a tan in your neck area, what you can do is you can make a homemade scrub. You can use say 1 or 2 teaspoons of sugar and add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to this. It's going to act as a scrub. You can scrub it in the neck area, and as the sugar particles are hard, it will remove the tan in your neck area. Scrub it for around 10 to 15 minutes, alternate days. It's bound to remove the tan in the neck area. Now, one more mixture you can use is of coconut milk. Coconut milk also helps a lot in reducing the tan. You can use say 2 teaspoons of coconut milk. You can add glycerine to it, 1 teaspoon, and you can add honey to this. Also, you can add rose water. So this mixture, you can combine it in a nice consistency, and you can use it all over your arms and legs also. So it is bound to remove the tan, and it helps in reducing the darkening of the skin. So you can use this mixture, 2 teaspoons of coconut milk, add 1 teaspoon of glycerine to it, add 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of rose water to this. It is going to act as a detanning mixture for your arms, legs, or you can use it even on your face area also. But if you use it for say daily 10 minutes, it is going to remove the tan. One more mixture I know, some people have a tendency of sweating underarms a lot. So if you're getting the tan in the axilla area, that is the underarm area, a good mixture I would suggest you is of honey. Along with that, you can use some malai, that is cream. So you can use the mixture of this and add some turmeric to this, that is haldi, and you can make a good mixture out of this and apply it on the underarms area. Let it dry for say 10 minutes, and wash it off with cold water, or wipe it with a cold wet cloth. And you can try this for alternate days. It is bound to reduce the tan in the axilla area. So basically friends, all these mixtures you can try it out. Basically in this summer season you're about to get tanned, but don't forget also to use the sunscreen, as it is basically going to prevent the tanning and darkening of the skin. The sunscreen should be at least of SPF 30 and according to your skin type. But do not forget to use the sunscreen 30 minutes prior to stepping out in the sun. And these home remedies are also going to be effective for you to reduce the tanning. Thank you. See you again next time with a new video.